Hello, Dan here from To Mechatronics YouTube channel, and here I would like to present you my favorite JLC PCB project. With no doubt, that's this DIY Arduino RC transmitter. The reason for that is because this Arduino transmitter is so versatile, and I can use it for controlling any of my Arduino DIY projects. For example, I use this transmitter for controlling my DIY RC hovercraft, my Arduino Mechanism Wheels robot, my DIY hexapod robot, and my DIY RC airplane. I also made a dedicated receiver PCB for it, which can be used for controlling even commercial RC models. The radio communication of this project is based on the NRF24LO1 transceiver module. The transmitter has 2 joysticks, 2 potentiometers, 2 toggle switches, and 4 push buttons. Of course, for more info you can always check my detailed video tutorials as well as the website articles. Nevertheless, if you find this project interesting, don't forget to vote for it and click the like button.